This is Kardec Radio, bringing you the book, The Medium's Harvest, written by spirit author Emmanuel and psychographed by Chico Javier. This partial audio recording will cover Chapter 72, titled Obsession and Healing. Enjoy. Chapter 72, Obsession and Healing. Public meeting of September 30th, 1960. Question number 254, paragraph 5. Someone once asked a great philosopher how he would rate the wise and the ignorant, and the philosopher replied that he regarded one as the doctor and one as the sick. However, we added, between the doctor and the patient there is the remedy. If the patient keeps the prescription in his pocket and ignores the indicated instructions, then the efforts of the clinician or the surgeon are of no use, who have spent time and study to serve the patient. There is no denying that obsession is a disease of the soul. The individual who lacks superior knowledge surrenders helplessly to demeaning influences, as the plant without defense is invaded by the destructive plague and the painful organic enigmas, which often culminate in death. However, we have in the Spiritist doctrine the light of Christ's teachings, a true healing science for the soul, with its own resources to solve each morbid process of the mind. It removes the obsessor from the obsessed as chemical agents or surgical interventions suppress illness, provided that the persons concerned submit to the proposed treatment. If you handle the problem of obsession with enough clarity to understand your own needs, you are not unaware that changing the lower spiritual company to which you adapt depends on your own renewal. You will hear noble lectures for setting the course. You will gather fair and accurate advice here and there. In short, you will find in the Spiritist principles the right direction and exact orientation. However, as in the case of the prescription formulated by a selfless and educated physician in your favor, the gospel lesson comforts and enlightens, encourages, and honors those who receive it. But if it is not used, it is of no use.